Theoretical application within a research study may be a foreign concept. Theoretical frameworks is an umbrella term used to describe applicable theories and models to a study. Theories and models differ in that a theory is a structured set of concepts and principles that explain a phenomenon or a set of phenomena and is grounded in empirical evidence. Models are simplified representations of an abstract concept or reality and used to simulate, predict, or understand specific aspects of a phenomenon. While theories are used to explain variable relationships, models are used to replicate or mimic certain conditions. Both theories and models may be combined within a research study. This is a simple conceptual model showing authentic leadership as the independent variable on the left and innovative behavior as the dependent variable on the right. A researcher must select a theory that explains how the independent variable affects the dependent variable. Using this conceptual model, what theory would explain how an authentic leader affects innovative behavior? Authentic leadership theory is the theory a researcher would most likely use to explain how authentic leaders affect innovative behavior. Authentic leadership theory measures authentic leaders through 4 key components as shown here: self-awareness, relational transparency, internalized moral perspective, and balanced processing. A researcher may opt to measure these 4 components each as individual independent variables or a compilation of the 4 to explain authentic leadership's effect on innovative behavior. Either way, all 4 components will be measured with the same instrument. Let's say we add another independent variable to the conceptual model, psychological empowerment. Using Spritzer's model, psychological empowerment is measured with 4 components as shown here: meaning, competence, self-determination, and impact. Similar to authentic leadership, a researcher may choose to use these 4 components as independent variables or a compilation of the variables to measure psychological empowerment. It is also possible that the researcher select one or more of these components as independent variables, and in that scenario, the questions from the questionnaire would only be used to collect the data to measure the specific component. In other words, if I selected competence as an independent variable to explain how it affects innovative behavior, then I would only select the 3 questions from the instrument used to measure that component. Each theory and model has generally been studied using specific instruments, so it's important to use those specified instruments shown valid and reliable by prior researchers. Questions may not be changed, nor can the Likert type scale. Instruments must be used just as the researcher did who found the instrument to be valid and reliable. Any change to the instrument will render a study as not valid or reliable. This is the conceptual model used to explain the theoretical framework example. Through the lens of authentic leadership, a researcher would explain how authentic leadership affects innovative behavior. Through the lens of Spritzer's model, a researcher would explain how psychological empowerment affects innovative behavior.